These men were accused of blackmailing and extorting money from people through gay dating apps.
कई बार बेइज्जती के डर से इसमें कंप्लेनेंट सामने नहीं आते.
But what was their modus operandi? Here's what happened. 22-year-old Kishore Singh was a 12th dropout, while 20-year-old Deepak Kumar was a law student.
इसमें दो अभियुक्त जिनका नाम किशोर और दीपक है. एक मूल रूप से बुलंदशहर का रहने वाला है और एक मूल रूप से नोएडा का रहने वाला है.
They took premium subscriptions to 3 gay dating apps and created their profile. They even added their own photos to make it look genuine.
गे डेटिंग एप्स हैं जैसे ब्लूड, ग्राइंडर, इन सब पर अपनी प्रोफाइल बनाते थे.
They would spend hours chatting on the apps and even went out on dates. After meeting them on multiple occasions and building trust, they would invite their victims over and get intimate with them with their consent. But little did their victims know that they would secretly record them engaging in sexual acts. The suspects then used to blackmail the victims, saying that they would publish the videos on social media and demanded money or valuable items in exchange.
ये लोग एक्सटॉर्शन की डिमांड कैश में करते थे और कई बार ये लोग कुछ गोल्ड या सिल्वर में भी डिमांड करते थे.
It was revealed that the suspects had been operating for over 6 months, but it all came to an end when a 20-year-old victim approached the police and filed a case.
कई बार बेइज्जती के डर से इसमें कंप्लेनेंट सामने नहीं आते.
The 20-year-old victim said that the suspects demanded 30,000 rupees and a gold necklace and threatened to publish the video on social media if it didn't meet their demands. Based on the complaint, the police sprung into action. A case was registered under Section 3084 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Under this section, a person shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term that may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to a fine.
इन लोगों ने अब तक दर्जनों लोगों के साथ ठगी करी और इनके पास से एक स्प्लेंडर मोटरसाइकिल, एक वीवो का मोबाइल और एक आईफोन बरामद हुआ है.
According to the National Crime Records Bureau, dating scams increased by more than 24% in 2022. And in 2023, people lost over 200 crores due to these scams. The police said most of the victims don't file complaints, so such cases often go unreported.
ये ऐसा क्यों करते हैं?
आमतौर पे इस तरह का जो एक्सटॉर्शन होता है उसमें जो भी पीड़ित होता है उसको ये डर होता है कि कहीं समाज उसके बारे में क्या सोचेगा.
The two suspects, Kishore and Deepak, were traced with the help of electronic surveillance and were arrested on 13 September 2024, the police said. The further investigation was still underway as of publishing this story.
दीपक